So guys, let's proceed to sample problem number 1. A cube of ice is 600 by 600 by 600 mm. The ice melts until it becomes a cube which is 1/2 as heavy as the original. So yung weight ng ating bagong cube is kalahati nung weight ng original cube natin. So yung tinatanong sa problem natin is, what is the dimension of the new cube? So, hahanapin natin si x sub n. So, kapag kinalahati natin yung weight, meaning to say, maapektuhan yung volume. So, lagi nyo tandaan, mapapag-aralan nyo yan furthermore sa fluid mechanics. But for now, let's stick to that statement na yung volume original natin, kunin muna natin siya. Tapos, yung volume ng bagong cube natin is kalahati ng volume ng original natin. Since meron tayong value ng mga edge ng ating original cube, makukuha na natin yung kanyang volume, which is 600 cube. Volume original will now equal to 216 times 10 raised to 6 cubic mm. So, para makuha natin yung volume ng new cube natin, 1/2 of 216 times 10 raised to 6. So, the value of our volume will be 108 times 10 raised to 6 cubic millimeter. So, ngayon yung hinahanap natin is yung dimension ng bagong cube natin. Since meron tayong given na volume na nasolve pala natin, and meron tayong given na sides ng cube natin, we can apply similar solids. So, by similar solids, so let's consider the volume. So, yung volume original natin, all over volume ng bagong cube natin. Since nauna si volume original, yung side ni volume original dapat nasa numerator din. So, yung 600 all over yung hinahanap natin, which is x sub n. Kaso, hindi pa tapos yan. Since volume yan, naka-cubic siya, meaning to say, dapat naka-cubic din yung mga sides natin. So, isa-substitute lang natin yung mga given, yung mga na-solve natin, all over 108 times 10 raised to 6, 600 cube. So, by simplifying, makukuha natin that the value of our x sub n is 476.220 mm. So, yun lang yung ating sample problem number 1. So, kung kanina sinolve natin is mga cube, now, let's move on naman sa mga rectangular parallel pipe natin. The inside dimension of a packing box is 2 feet by 3 feet by 1 feet. Find the dimensions of a new packing box of the same shape which can hold 8 times as much. So, let's say that yung length ng ating packing box is 2 feet. Yung width niya is 3 feet. Tapos, yung kanyang height is 1 foot. Ngayon, tinatanong dito is, what is the value of the new box? Yung mga dimensions niya. Let's denote that as L sub n, W sub n, at saka H sub n. So, meron silang sinabi na similarities or yung statement na which can hold 8 times as much. So, kung ito yung volume original natin, the volume of our new packing box will be 8 multiplied by the volume original. Since it is a rectangular parallel pipe, length times width times height. Volume original is equals to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1. Volume original is now equal to 6 cubic feet. So, yung volume new natin will be 8 multiplied by 6. So, we have 48 cubic feet. So, yung hinahanap natin, yung dimension ng bagong packing box natin. So, i-apply lang natin yung principle ng similar solids. By similar solids, so mangyayari, sabihin natin na mauuna yung original natin. Volume original all over volume new is equals dun sa mga dimensions natin. Let's say, so gawa tayo ng general dito, 6 all over, yung volume new natin is 48, equals, so pagpaparehas lang natin, yung L sub n natin or yung length natin is 2 all over L sub n. Yung width naman sa old box natin is 3 all over width sub n. Tapos yung height niya is 1 all over h sub n. Since volume yan naka-cube, so mangyayari yung mga sides natin is dapat naka-cube. So, ginawa ko lang siyang general. So, let's consider muna. I-solve muna natin yung L sub n. So, for solving L sub n, so yung volume original natin is 6 over 48 is equals to 2 cube all over L sub n cube. So, L sub n is equals to 4 feet. So, isolve naman natin yung value ng ating W sub n. 6 over 48 is equals to 3 cube all over W sub n cube. So, W sub n is now equal to 6 feet. So, same procedure lang. Solve naman natin yung value ng h sub n natin. H sub n is equals to 6 over 48. So, yung 1 cube all over h sub n cube. So, the value of our h sub n is now equal to 2 feet. So, yung final answer natin for the dimensions of our new packing box is 4 feet by 6 feet by 2 feet. So, yan yung magiging final answer natin.